minute so you can see how long you're recording. And so it started, and I'll be like, hi, this is Jennifer, and then I can just talk about whatever I want to look at and do some searches. And if I was doing a PowerPoint, if I have my PowerPoint open, and this is why I think it would work really well, is that once you have your PowerPoint open before you start, you could do, so like this is something that I did before. So like, let's see. Hold on, my PowerPoint's being funky. So you might want to start, let's see if this is going to open. Okay, so like if you did this and you wanted to go into presentation mode, like, and do it, or if you wanted to kind of keep like the size of what you were doing it here, like you can make it smaller. Let's.
Now, if so with those lines and everything, and that's filling up your whole screen there. Let's say you were. Is it going to appear like that on the screen somewhere else?
So I was just looking at this to see, can I make it smaller?
Screens and the teachers' rooms
where they're kind of watching it.
Yeah.
So it looks like.
Blackboard did that.
So from here, I might want to put this into presentation mode. So right over here is like a little shortcut. I'm sure there's a button at the top, but you can kind of make. Oh wait, isn't there like a presentation mode here? So yeah, so then it's still recording, but over here, I have two screens, so it's different than what you'd see at home. But then it would be.
I'd be seeing something more like that. Okay.
So it's just because I have my two screens, and it's kind of like, oh, it's preparing me to say what's over here. And so I'm in 1 minute and 55 seconds, it's still recording me, because I can see that my microphone is open. And then I can just kind of keep going through. Did you need some help? What did you need help?
I'm on an extra credit assignment mission.
Okay. What class?
Psychology.
Okay, for Dr. Kufsky?
Yes.
Can you wait 1 second and I'll be right with you? Okay, hold on. Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Merry Christmas, Emily. It's so wonderful to see you always. Okay. Merry Christmas. Stay warm out there. I think that might be his. I don't think that's mine. Is that his or yours? Is that Emily's? Is that your folder? Okay. Good. All right. So then the only thing I want to tell you is that right here, once you're finished, so I have 3 minutes in, he needs Dr. I'll show him how to find that article for Kathy Kufsky. So I'm going to be with him in just 1 second. So right here, when you finish, you can just hit your